welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oyenike, and if this is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button so you get to see my videos anytime I upload. So today is just going to be a tutorial kind of video on how to draw a regular day-to-day eyebrow that me and you usually do. This is not an owambe kind of eyebrow. This is just a regular day-to-day eyebrow, and you know what, let's just get into the video. So you'll be needing your pencil, just a regular kind of pencil. I think this is Davies or Elman. I really can't see the name, but this is just a regular pencil, and it has to be sharpened. So you need a mascara wand. This is from my previous pencil. So this is it, a mascara wand, a concealer. This is LA concealer. Your foundation. This is Maybelline foundation. You need your powder, angle brush. Well, I'm applying my foundation so that the place is already blended before I fill in all my makeup, so I don't get to stain the eyebrow. That is why I do that. So I just put my foundation and blend it into the space. That's the eyebrow area to the eye socket and the front. My forehead is. So I'm going to go in with the pencil now. So I'm going to use my mascara wand to set my eyebrow, and I just draw this. And I feel in. The line is not starting from here. The one under is longer than the one on top, so it will be as regular as possible. Then I fill in, not shade, just like you're highlighting the eyebrow. Make it as close as possible so that you don't get to be highlighting and blending a lot. So even like this, I can go out. I don't even need to put a concealer. I can go out like this. So let me get into the second one. So there's a joke about eyebrows being brothers and sisters. They are not twins. Most times you don't get the perfect eyebrow. It might just be close, but definitely not twins. Yeah. So after drawing your eyebrow, filling the pencil, you come back with your mascara wand and fade. That's it. Just brush it down to reduce the pencil color to just blend to the skin. Yeah. So next thing is to apply your concealer. I usually put it at the back of my hand. It's your angle brush. Yeah, it has this shape. That is why it's called the angle brush. That is what I know it as. Going. As you follow through with the line, it's just why we apply the concealer is just to define the eyebrow, like to make it obvious. So that's just it. So we already have a perfect eyebrow. Most times I don't even apply it to the top. I just blend the under in and I complete my makeup and I am done. But for the sake of the people that really want to do the up, it can be very tricky, but you know, we'll just try. So you see why I usually stop at the down part, because if you're going to do the top, you need to at least make it look as similar as possible. Well, so let's just try and make it look the same. Yeah, you know, I say it's a regular eyebrow and I think it's quite close. Might not be perfect, but it's something you can manage for the day. One of the hack on how to clean the top of the eyebrow is still using this mascara one, so just brush it. Is what I use to clean it if I'm in a side. Yeah. I think all the concealer So this is me, and I'm going to see you when I'm done with my makeup. Ta-da! So how do I look? Yes, so this is me on a regular day, and this is what I do majorly for my regular outing to church and all of that. So anytime you see me all made up, just know that this is the process. Okay, this is where I end this video for today. So please, if you like the video, drop a comment, like, share, and let's grow this page together. See you in my next video. Bye.